हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 6 का इंग्लिश का चैप्टर 4.3 मिस्टर नोबडी की क्वेश्चन आंसर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग चार्ट ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस यूजिंग वर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट्स। वर्ड्स है हिम, अवर, वी, ही, हर, देयर, इट, मी एंड योर। तो इसमें से फर्स्ट पर्सन में आएंगे मी एंड सेकेंड में आएगा योर। बाकी की सब जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन में आएंगे। जैसे कि फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में हमारा आएगा ही एंड वी एंड सेकेंड में आएगा हीज है तो हिम आएगा और देयर एक आएगा और थर्ड ब्रैकेट में आएगा अवर। क्वेश्चन, which of the above pronouns do you use when you talk about yourself? So answer is I, my, me, us, our and ours. Suppose you are telling someone about the good and bad things they have done. What pronouns are you likely to use? Suppose we are saying about another person, we will use the pronouns like you, yours and yours. Suppose you are complaining about one or more person's things to your teacher or mother. About pronouns, what pronouns will you use? अगर हम किसी दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं बट वो पर्सन के लिए नहीं बात कर रहे, कोई थर्ड पर्सन के लिए बात कर रहे, सो वी विल यूज ही, शी, देम, हिम, हर, देम, हीज, हर एंड theirs. Third, write all the instances of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody. Answer, the instances of the mischief done by Mr. Nobody are: first, he breaks plates by causing cracks in them. He tears book. He leaves the door ajar. He pulls the button from our shirt. He scattered the pins of our. He does not oil the door and leaves it squeaking. He leaves finger mark upon the door as he does not keep his hands clean. He spills the ink. He leaves the boots lying around here and there without putting them in a place. 4. What characteristics Mr. Nobody do we learn about from this poem? Answer, Mr. Nobody seems to be very mischievous, playful and irresponsible person. He does not handle things with care. As he breaks plate, he behaves in a very careless manner by leaving the door ajar. He seems to be very insensitive to others' problem because he pulls out buttons from shirt and scattered pins. Fifth, imagine that there is a Mr. Nobody who has to correct all the wrongs that are done by Mr. Nobody. Write in the following table and what Mr. Somebody will have to do. Mr. Somebody क्या करेगा ये हमें पूछना है. Add a few more things to the list in the above table using your own ideas and experience. Answer, Mr. Nobody's action. First, the plate is broken and cracked. And task for Mr. Somebody will do that: mend the plate and throw it away carefully. The book is torn. Mr. Somebody will do? Mend the book by either sticking or a sellotape or any adhesive that is suitable. The door is ajar. Shut the door properly. The buttons are pulled from shirt. Tuck the buttons on the shirt. The pins are scattered. Gather all the pins, put them in a container and keep them safely in an appropriate place. The door is still squeaking. Oil the door to prevent it from squeaking. There are finger marks upon the door. Wipe and clean the fingers mark on the door. The ink has spilled over. Clean and wipe the spilled ink. Boots are laying around. Arrange the shoes in a pair and put them on the shoe rack neatly. Expensive clothes are scattered. Gather the clothes and put them in a laundry basket to be put for washing. Dirty plates on the table. Pick up the plates and glasses and place them in the sink for washing. Leave the comb without cleaning. Remove the hair from the comb, wipe neatly and keep it in the comb stand. 6. Write about one occasion each when you have behaved like Mr. Nobody. Answer, I took out the thermometer to check my temperature as I suspected that I was running a fever. After checking my body temperature, I keep the thermometer on my bed next to me. My mother, who came in to check if I was not keeping too well, sat on it. Thermometer not only broke but also hurt the pillow. Mr. Somebody. Answer, my dad come home in a hurry from the bank. and was leaving for the office. In haste, he forgot his mobile. I spotted it soon as he left, swiped it, and went behind him to give it him so that he would not miss out any of his urgent business calls. 7. Listen and complete. Close your books. Teacher will dictate some lines from the books and she will say the first half and you have to write the entire line verse. I know a funny little man as quiet as mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Use this following expression in your own sentence. We all agree that. Answer. We all agree that we should plant at least one tree each year and nurture it to save our environment. It is he or she who helped the blind old lady to cross the road in spite of being in a hurry to reach school. Don't you see that all lot of effort and hard work has to be put in order to succeed? None of us ever thought about such an interesting and brilliant idea. Okay, student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then please like, comment, and share. And for more such videos, please subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.